Listen to Petra talking about her job and work routine, and complete the table in your notebook.
Послушайте, как Пьетро рассказывает о своей работе и распорядке дня. И заполните таблицу в своей тетради.
Welcome to Career Choices. Today in the studio we have makeup artist Petra Daly with us, and she's going to tell us all about her job. Welcome, Petra.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
So, Petra, would you like to tell all our listeners about what your job involves?
Certainly. Well, I do people's makeup for different occasions and projects, such as professional photographs, fashion shows, TV, films, weddings, or advertising campaigns.
What kind of skills does a makeup artist need to have?
You need to be artistic and have a sense of what colours go well with each other, and also which colours will cancel out one another, so you can help hide dark circles under the eyes, spots, and so on. You also have to be flexible and able to adapt to changing schedules. You need to be friendly and sociable and able to work with all types of people too. It's not a good job for a shy person.
What kind of daily routine is there for makeup artists?
Well, most makeup artists are self-employed and work on a freelance basis, and there isn't really a daily routine because some days are 4-hour jobs and other days I can work 16 hours straight. Photo shoots can be at least 8 to 9 hours, with 4 makeup and hairstyle changes. A wedding can take from 2 to 6 hours, depending on how many people there are to do. It can be very tiring, but it is very rewarding.
Where is makeup usually done? What is your work environment like?
Well, I can work indoors and out for photo shoots. I visit private homes for weddings, and I work in TV studios or on location for TV projects and films. I never sit down when I'm working.
Do you earn a lot of money?
If you have experience and a good reputation in the industry, you can earn a lot of money. When you're starting out, you won't earn a lot of money, but the more experience you have, the more money you can earn.
Well, that was very interesting. We'll be right back after these messages when Petra will answer callers' questions.
Job. Makeup artist. Skills. Artistic, flexible, friendly and sociable. Hours, routine. Long hours sometimes but not always, no routine. Workplace. Works indoors, outdoors, in private home, in TV studios, or on location for TV projects and films. Wages. Low at the beginning, but you can get high wages if you have experience and a good reputation.
Subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like it. I have a lot of useful English videos. Подписывайся на мой канал, не забудь поставить лайк. У меня много полезных материалов по английскому языку.